Keep your furniture looking newer for longer. PLANITHERM Comfort Glass has a hidden layer of protection to help prevent ultraviolet light from fading your furniture. Make your home a peaceful respite from the world outside. PLANITHERM Comfort Glass has a built-in acoustic layer that keeps exterior noise outside where it belongs. PLANITHERM Total Plus has a neutral coating that allows the most natural daylight into your room, helping your home to feel light and bright. PLANITHERM is a superior glass range designed to give you the most advanced thermal insulation performance. Our glass will help to keep your home warmer even on the coldest days, making your home feel comfortable all year round without unwanted drafts around windows. Help protect your family from break-ins and vandalism. PLANITHERM Comfort has a high-security, transparent layer that makes them much tougher to break than standard unlaminated glass. Rooms with lots of glass will give you a great view, but the warmth from natural daylight can make it uncomfortably hot on sunny days. Saint-Gobain supply PLANITHERM Comfort Plus glass, which has a special coating designed to keep out heat from the sun's rays.